Hi everyone, it's Brooke. Today I'm gonna be showing you me first time using my PayMaya account. For those who don't know what PayMaya is a free virtual Visa or Mastercard prepaid card you can use for shopping online, booking flights, and more. First, you have to download the application on Google Play Store if you're using Android phones, or the App Store for Apple devices. It is unlike your debit or credit card that uses the money on your bank account. As I said, it is prepaid. All you need is to load it up at over 15,000 branches in the Philippines like 7-Eleven, SM stores, Smart Padala, or others. For more questions about PayMaya, I'll put the link in the description box below. So just click it, and I'm gonna open my PayMaya account. So here, the first you see is the history of the deducted amount, your remaining balance, like that. So here, add money. These are the stores where you can load up your PayMaya. As I've said, the 7-Eleven, the SM store, BDO, Smart Padala, Robinsons, and there are other more stores or malls where you can load up. The thing is, I went to the nearest 7-Eleven at the city and asked for a click machine or the click kiosk, because as instructed here, 7-Eleven click kiosk or like the ATM machines. Find a click kiosk inside the store, select e-money, then PayMaya, and then the machine will give you the receipt, and then you present it to the cashier where you can pay it, and then the amount will be loaded up to your account. But then when I went there was no click machines at all, and I asked if can you load up PayMaya, and their face was like blank. They're clueless on what PayMaya is. So I just went straight ahead. I went straight out because I know I wasn't getting anything from there. So I found the nearest 7-Eleven there, and I asked again if they have a click machine, and they said no, but they can load up Himaya, and the cashiers are very accommodating. So here's the thing. Create a barcode that you can take to 7-Eleven to add money. This is another way to load up at 7-Eleven where you don't need a click machine. So enter the amount to add on your account. For example, I'll put up 500, okay. And then they give you the virtual receipt with the barcode, the amount, and the validity. So you just present this to the cashier, and then you pay the exact amount that you put in here or that you typed in here, because 7-Eleven does not charge you for their service fee. And that's very great. So after that, you can see in the history, I loaded up at 7-Eleven, received money from 7-Eleven. This. And the first time I used this is when I bought first time also on ebay.com a ultra slim full protective cover hard for $2.49, and it was free shipping, so it's good. So I asked, I wondered how would they deduct it on my account, because I have a Philippine peso. I'm using Philippine peso here, and the currency on ebay.com is US dollars. So I wondered how, and then I learned that it depends on the daily foreign exchange rates and how they convert the money like this. When I first purchased it, they deducted 50.75 pesos on my account, but later on they refunded the exact same amount. And here, you can see here, The purchase has been completed and the amount has been sent to the merchant. This amount has been deducted and the amount has been transferred to the merchant's account because the merchant, the seller, messaged me yesterday that he already shipped the item. So that's why the money has been transferred to his account already. So that's it. It's very simple, and as you can see on my here, PayMaya texts you like like this. They immediately text you on your current balance, on the amount deducted, on your remaining balance. They always update you on what's happening to your account, and it's very great because it's very immediate. It's very quick. They're very quick, and it's very easy to use. All you just need is an internet, and that's it. It's very simple. And for this, I applaud PayMaya because it's very great. So my first time using PayMaya is great, and I recommend it for you too. So thank you very much.